Is this a function, yes or no?
Yeah.
We do the vertical line test, and yes, it's a function. Okay, what is the domain? Okay, the domain, we lay our pencil down this way.
No.
Okay, up and down.
And it 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, because you're going to hit an arrow first. What's an arrow mean?
Infinity.
Negative infinity to what?
To infinity. You put 2 circles.
Okay, to infinity. What's up? So, because on this side of the graph, you touch this first, and this is like -1, -2, -3, so you can see that it's negative infinity. The range.
Range is 0.
0 to what?
Infinity.
Infinity, good. Is this going to be an odd or even function?
Even.
Definitely even, good. Okay, the min-max I did a little bit different. You just need to look at the point. So this graph only has 1 point, and it's point A.
Yeah.
What is that?
Origin.
It's going to be a minimum. So you just put A right here.
Okay.
Okay, is there any maxes?
No.
No, and there's no more other points, so you don't have to put anything there. Okay. And so this one's done. Can I scroll or no?
Yeah.
Why didn't you move up? Like, obviously you can't see, right?
That's a smart choice to do if you can't see.
You can move back when you're done, but sit up when you're... Okay, is this a function, yes or no? Do your vertical line test.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, it's a function.
Yeah.
What's not a function?
The function where like you can just touch it.
Yeah, but what's some like shapes? A circle, definitely.
An oval.
Oval, square, triangle. Okay, anything that's like a closed shape. Like these are open, right? They don't make a full shape.
Yeah.
Anything that's like a closed shape is definitely going to be. Okay, the domain is what? We start with our pencil right here. Negative infinity to infinity.
Infinity to.
Okay, what about the range? Put your pencil this way.
Range.
Start at the bottom of the graph.
No, it's gonna be like.
Jesus, you're on the wrong one there.
Oh, what are we trying to do?
Number 2.
Oh.
In negative infinity, because it's at the bottom, to what? Go to the very top of the graph. What's it at?
It's
5?
Yeah, 5.
Okay. Is this an odd or even function? Even. Okay, both the arrows are pointing the same way. Okay, now just start through your points. Point A, is that going to be a min or a max?
Max.
Yeah, so put it down at the max. Point B,
Min.
it's definitely going to be a min.
Then C, max.
And then C is going to be max. Can I scroll?
Yeah.
Okay, number 3. Is this a function, yes or no? Yes. If you had to guess, okay, if you're one of those people that you like have a hard time telling if it's a function or not, if you have to guess, if it's not shaped sideways, okay, like so, or a closed shape, then I would probably guess yes, okay? So if it's shaped like this, I would probably say no. If it's a circle or a closed shape, I would say no. Anything else, your chances are better with a yes, okay? So yes, this is a function. The domain.
Infinity.
Okay, good. Huh? The range. Start your pencil at the bottom. Work your way up.
Infinity. I don't know.
This inning.
Oh, no, yeah, that might be 0. I'm sure.
I did see that, and I like even double checked. She was, no, I'm looking at my, hold on just a second. Yeah, I have her for second period. Yeah, I even told her, and she said she was in first period. So, yep. The range, okay, so we do our pencil this way. Where does it start at the bottom?
0
0,
to infinity.
okay, and then we go up, and the last point I touch is gonna be an arrow, and that means infinity. Is this an odd or an even function?
Even?
How can you tell it's even?
I don't even know if you know. But you flipped it.
How can you tell it's even?
Because it doesn't. It's open.
It is open.
The arrows are going to?
The arrows are going the same way, remember? So even looks like both arrows are going the same way. Okay, odd's gonna be, one is not going the same way
I
as the
guess
other.
myself, you mirrored it.
That's gonna be an odd.
Yeah.
Okay, A, is that min or max? Point A.
That's a min.
A is a min.
Okay, and C,
B,
max.
C, the min.
We're gonna have a letter.
If there's no letters, then that means there's no min or maxes. Okay, number maybe 4. Is this a function? Yes or no?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm thinking of odd.
Okay, what is the domain?
Negative infinity to
Infinity to the negative infinity to positive infinity.
Good. The range.
negative infinity to
Good. Is this odd or even? It's odd. Good. Okay, and then you see how there's no letters on here? That means there's no min or maxes, so there's nothing for you to fill out there. Okay? So it's not a trick question. I just wrote all of them down the same. So don't worry about it if there's none there. Can I scroll? Okay, 5. Is this a function, yes or no?
Yeah.
yes.
Yes. If you're not sure, what should you guess?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, if you're not sure, guess yes. Okay? That's just my advice. But the domain.
Negative infinity to infinity.
Negative infinity to infinity. Okay, same thing. If you're not sure with the domain and range, if there are arrows on both ends, meaning it doesn't look like this. Okay, if there's arrows on both ends, I would probably guess negative infinity to infinity. Okay, that's just your best bet as far as shop goes. The range.
Negative infinity to 0.
Negative infinity, and it goes up to 0. Okay, is this odd or even? It's definitely even. Okay, and then we only got 1 point. Is that a min or a max? It's definitely a max. Good job. Jemiah, that's 1. Okay, number 6. Is this a function, yes or no? Yes. What is the domain? Negative infinity to infinity. The range. It's gonna be the same. Okay, the first part we touch here on the bottom, it's got an arrow, that's negative infinity, and the last part we touch is an arrow, and that's positive infinity. Is this an odd or an even function? It's definitely odd. Good job. Okay, point A, is that a min or a max? It's a min. Point B. Good. Okay, you guys got 6 to do on your own. Get them done. When you get done, I put the box over here today because I'm trying to empty it out. And then make sure your name's on it.